Okay, what I got here is an Impossible Burger, which is a veggie-only burger. And over here I have a beef steak burger, which is just your standard ground beef burger. And I'm going to be grilling them both up on a charcoal grill, and I'm going to be comparing the taste to them. And I'm going to season them up both the same way and put my sauces on like I normally do. So let's see how it turns out. Okay. Let it soak in. Okay, and I like barbecue sauce. And add some seasoning. And let's take a look at our first flip. This is the Impossible Burger. It looks like a regular burger. It does look that way. And there's our regular burger. Alright, and those are both looking good. Okay, I'm almost done. Throw some cheese on it. And they're practically done, so I'll just move these to the back of the grill where there's less coal. Let the cheese melt a little bit. So here is my beef one, and then here is the Impossible Burger. Okay.
It's good though.
First, this is real burger.
It's sweeter. You gotta choose something out.
Very juicy. I love mine with jalapenos, onion, and tomatoes. Here is the Impossible Burger. It really does taste like a real burger, but it's like a mass-produced burger, like a McDonald's burger or something.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like to me. So you can tell a difference, but not like a meat versus non-meat type difference. And that's what I think.